All right, today I'm going to show you how to cut the opening for a barn door setup for an entry. This is a bathroom. This bedroom will be a master bedroom when I cut this opening here in the wall. And I'll show you how to cut the opening, all right? Now, over here, for the barn door setup, all right, I have the wall marked out. I have the wall marked out, all right? This is 36 inches for the door. This is an inch over, that's 34 from here all the way to here where it says opening at this point. And we're going to cut this out. I want to show you how I do it. All right, I have this marked here for opening. I'm going to plumb up off of that line. All right, I'm going to come to this line and I'm going to get it level, get that bubble centered right here. All right, it's centered. Now I'm right here on my mark. My bubble centered. All right. Then I'm going to come off of here. This is my opening for the top. And I'm just going to come down. All right. Now I'm going to bring it on down. Okay. I'm going to line it up with this pencil line on the wall, and I should be level, and I am. Right. If I wasn't, I'd be making adjustments. I'd be moving the bottom. Okay. And then I'm just coming up. Bam. Now, same with the other side. Okay, I'm coming off the floor this time. And I'm called plumbing up. All right. Show the floor out and bring it all the way up. Okay, we're getting this leveled out. Right here is my line and my level. Okay, adjust the bottom a little bit. All right. I'm on the bubble center, right in the middle. Okay. And there you have that. Let me double check this. Okay. Get it on that line. How are we looking? Okay, that's not right, so that means okay. I'm sorry, I got an eye. It's getting an operation on, so I'm having a hard time seeing this. So it's taking me, otherwise it wouldn't be the case. All right. So here we have it. Let me come up. All right, I'm going to bring this line here over to where it goes. All right. Again, getting this level, that bubble centered. All right. Then I'm just going to mark this across. All right, then I'm going to continue to level up that line. Okay, I'm going to hold the bottom at the top. That bubble is centered. It's going against the wall. There it is, pushing it against the wall. And there you have it. Okay, I'm going to pull that back. Yes, we're nice. Okay. Now, let me show you what I'm going to do next. Okay. We have This line going down. I've got this to remove. Got this going down, up, across, and then down. Okay. Over here. There we go. Right there. All the way up. All right, now I'm going to cut it. Okay. Start videoing.